Hello, you're welcome again to this session of Cloud Computing. My name is Malik, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your Azure login page using your company's branding details like name, logo, and banner. To begin with, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Azure account using the default portal login, which is portal.azure.com. The minute you log in, the next thing you do is to click on all these dotted icons just at the top left corner of your screen. Then you scroll down and select Microsoft Entra ID. So the moment the page finished loading, the next thing you do now is to scroll down. You can see under the Manage tab, you scroll down and click on Company Branding, which is this. You click on Company Branding and it will bring out all the necessary details that you need to utilize to customize your login page. So you can see the company branding page has opened. You click on the default sign in page, then you click on customize. So the moment the customize default sign in page opens up, it will bring up all the section where you need to key in your branding details, like the five icon. No, the five icon is the icon that appears right behind the sign in a default login link. You can insert your background image here and your background color. You can select your background color here. So the moment you finish entry all those details, you click on next to take you to the layout. So let's have the five icon and the background image, which we are going to use in this tutorial. So mind you, the size of the five icon should be 32 by 32 pixel, and the size shouldn't be more than 5 kilobytes, while the background image also should be 90 by 20, 9020 by 10 by 18. And now the size should also be more than 300 KB. So since I already have mine created, you can create yours and upload it. So to select the five icon, you come here and browse and go straight to your system to pick it up. So let me pick mine, which is already in my system. So I'm gonna pick it now. So I have the five icon here. I click on it. Okay, you can see it says it's too large, and you can use image resizer, online to resize the size. So mine is too large. So let me use an image resizer to resize the image. So I'll be able to use an image resizer online to resize the image. So it has accepted it. So the next thing to do now is to upload the background image, which I'm going to select from here. So I just browse it. Also remember that your background image should be of this size, 1920 by 1080, and the size should not be more than 300 megabytes. So it has accepted I've entered the five icon, which is at the top, and the background image. So you can select your desired color. So you can play around the color of your choice that will match what your company brand details are. So let me just select something that I will be interested in. Okay, I think I like this. Let me make it darker. Okay. So when you're done with that, you click on next to take you to the layout. The layout, that is how you want the page to look like. You have various options here. You have this a template. So let me go for this. So the login section will be here, while my company branding details will be on the left side. So I'll choose this, and I'll scroll down. The header. The header can be, okay, let's say something like this. Then I'll scroll down again. Then the footer, okay, it's fine that way. If you want to customize it with custom CSS, you can do that here. But I'm okay with the way they are. Then I click on header. So the next thing now is to upload your header logo, which can be here. And you also have the details of how your header logo will look like. It shouldn't be more than the size 245 by 36. And the size, that's the dimension, why the size shouldn't be more than 10 KB. So let me quickly create that upload. So you can do yours while I'm doing my hair. So the header logo is going to be here. What you need to do is just to browse here and select if your system, it will come up here. The minute you're done with that, you click on next, which will take to the footer section. You can display the text. Mine is Cloud Tech. Cloud Tech. Then if you have a URL, you can put it. If you don't, you can just leave it this way. Then you can also insert your terms of use, privacy, and cookies in case you want such to happen. But if you don't have any, you can just deselect it, and you click on sign in form. So the sign in form is going to be as we have here. Let me browse for the banner logo. So let me use this for the banner logo, and the square logo, light theme. Let me choose that one too. Let me see if this will go for it. Okay, that's a logo. Then the square logo, that theme. So you can fill in other details like your square logo, which is that, and the user details if you want it, but it's not really necessary. But if you really want to customize that too, you can go ahead and fix it. So when you're done, you click on the next page to review. So the minute you see everything looking good the way you want it, what you do now, you can come here and say create. I say the process is undergoing now, creating default branding. So you give it some moment, you can see successfully created default branding. So to confirm your branding Azure login page, you need to sign out, and it will take you back to the page where you need to sign in. In doing that, you'll be able to see how the branding page looks like. So that's how you can customize your Azure login page. So when we want to log in, it will just display all your branding details about your company, like the favicon background image and the background color and a couple of other changes you made to the modification of your branding details. So that's it for now. In the next video, we'll be talking more details on Azure Cloud Computing. Stay tuned. Thank you for now.